Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm playing Pet Ranch Simulator. That's right, Pet Ranch Simulator 2 actually. And in today's video of Pet Ranch Simulator and Roblox is to make an entire base or an entire forest. Or try and get a really good pet. We can do both of those, but let's get the pet first. I have loads of things. I've only played this game for one day. I have like 1.80 billion for some reason. It's cause like when you start, when you're not playing the game, the pets still do stuff for you, which is really good. As you can see, I have 810 million, 1,810 million, or maybe 11 million. I don't know. No. Stored up. I don't know waste all the money. 50 million. I can buy this. Man. Well, what are these? They're like weird tokens. Wait, now you have to spend the weird token things? Ah, man. We're just gonna have to be using this. Just buy 3. One. First one. Actually, I'll make it an auto clicker, and I'll be and I'll be back when it's good. Okay, guys, it's been some time with this thing. I've got everything except from the legendary, which is 1%. I need to try and get it because that's the best pet in the game, which includes coins. So I really need it. I'll be back when my coins run out, or when I have the legendary. Peace. Okay, guys. So unfortunately, I couldn't get the thing. I can still get some more because I have 872 million, but that's just going to be a waste of money. Right now, let's see our pet. Let's start with the best ones. I'll show you the best one. We only got one of these. I thought we got more. So I can't equip them, that's why. I'm just gonna spam this. We're at max? There's a max? That's max. Wait, we need to include the best members. We're gonna have to delete some guys, but kind of doesn't matter, because better and known better. I'll show you my team when we're done. Guys, like and subscribe, because I just realized, not for the most but I can make, but if I get this one more time, I can make a shiny. So, no, I only have 100 million. I can't do that. No, I'm gonna buy one. Alright, one it is. One. One. Come on. Ah, man. But that isn't bad. Because click this guy. shiny. We've got one shiny. One shiny, which is overly powerful, which is good to see. Good to see. It can also make a shiny of these guys. Where are they? Where are they? Where are they? They're not at the top. 7,000, that's still good. Okay, it's still beautifully good. I'll equip all of them, but then I don't know. Okay, guys. So I just equipped everybody, and we're getting 1 million in like 2 seconds. That's like when you have no pets and you have one pet and you're trying to get 100. And then if you get when you get 100, you actually get like 100 million, which is very good. Let's go to our ranch. Where are all my pets? There we go. My pets just loaded in. But let's go to the build store. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow, it's kind of expensive. What the heck are these? Dice? We need a good place. I'm gonna get some mushrooms as well. You always need some bushes. Mini rocks. Let's buy some fun so we can spend our money. Don't know why I want to spend all my money, but we spend it. Now, let's see what I can build. Well, guys, I mean, it isn't bad. We got some rocks. The gold things. Wait a second. We can't just stay like this with no good enough. We have 1 billion stored up already. Let's get the golden tree. Leafy tree. I thought the leafy tree was one of our mushrooms. Maybe a bit big. There we go. Oh my god, my game is lagging. Let's put the leafy tree next to all the little bits. Holy moly. Or we just place it right there. Oh, it isn't there. Be right back. There we go. And it's looking golden. We are rich. Man, we have the ultimate squad. We've got the ultimate squad. Which is instant. We also have a shiny elephant. Where is he? Where is Mr. There he is. Just watch how much. He gave us, well, really, he gives us nearly 2 million, but literally everybody gives us 1 million. Now, let's get to one of our worst pets. The pets that you start with. Where are they? Like some sort of dog. Alright, this might not be the worst pet, but when its thing goes, which I think is never. Okay, let's just go to one of our not too good pets. This one's one of the good pets. It's gonna give us 1 million. I feel like, no, I think all of my pets give me 1 million. Oh, that's how good they are. Yeah, 1 million. I didn't even know that pet. Wow. Whoa. We've got the best army. Anyways, I will see you guys. And also, like and subscribe if you want me to, to give you some tips of how to be a really good game on this game. Bye. Okay guys, so you thought it was the end of the video? Yeah, me too. I thought it was at the end of the video. But I wanted to do some off-camera stuff. And then I got another one of these. And that means heirloom. I got the shiny heirloom songbird. And it looks absolutely amazing. Shiny frugal. I mean, yeah, please. Whoa. I can get all of these, guys. I thought I already had these on. Oh my god. Why not another chill elephant? That's shiny. Just to end the day. Wait. A starry? Dun dun dun. You need 5 shinies for a starry? Oh my god. Alright, but now it's the real end of the video. Sorry to interrupt you. Bye.